Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the more, tethering and portable hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch it here. You can set it to keep Wi-Fi hotspot on, how long you want to keep it on. You can set it to turn off when idle for 5 minutes or 10. Here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password, here you can change its IP band. You can also reset OBB, OOB, and you can also change maximum amount of connections here. And there's also an option VPS connect, and you can also manage connected users here, but no one is connected to my hotspot, so I can't manage them here. And you can also switch hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.